Hi, I'm Gilles Guillemin from flagstuff.co.uk. I'm going to show you today my brand new tool, Catalyst Builder Sync. Its purpose is to simplify exchanges between Flash Builder and Flash Catalyst. Okay, let's start it. It's empty, it's the first time I'm launching it, so it makes sense. We need to check a few things before adding a new project. Let's go first to Preferences. Here we need to select, well, by default, the Catalyst workspace is pre-selected, and for what I can see, it's already the good one. It should react the same way whether you work on PC or on Mac. So it's fine for this one. But I need also to point to select my Flash Builder workspace. In that case, it doesn't. I can't figure out which one it is, so I need to select it. Okay, Catalyst Builder Sync Demos, that's the one I'm going to use. All my further projects created in Flash Builder will be built inside that folder. Okay, I select it. That's fine. One quick word about file types here. Catalyst Builder syncs only those type of files, not anything else. Which means if, for example, you use Subversion, you've got hidden files, Catalyst Builder Sync won't mess around with your structure, with your files. It will copy, delete, manipulate only the files with those extensions. You can add a few new ones if you need specific to use specific files. Say, for example, you need to add some wave sounds. You just add here wave, and that's it. Okay, done. Okay, we are not going to add a new project yet. We're going to create those projects before in Flash Catalyst and in Flash Builder. Okay, so let's go to Flash Catalyst. I create a brand new project. I could open an existing one if I wanted, but let's go with this one. Let's call it Test 1. The default settings are fine with me. Okay, that's a simple project. I'm just going to drop a couple of buttons here. Let's add a checkbox as well, and let's rename this button by button to OK. I save it. I save it on the desktop, which is fine. Okay, cool. That's it on the Flash Catalyst part for now. Next, we're going to go to Flash Builder. We've got two options here. Or we import the FXP we just created, or we can just create from scratch a new project here, and we will synchronize this new project with the existing one in Flash Catalyst without importing or anything like that. Let's do that. Let's create a new Flash project. Let's call it Test 1 as well. We could name it differently, but for the sake of simplicity, let's call it the same way. Finish. Here we go. Okay, we've got a pretty simple project with just one MXML file, test1.mxml, and that's it. Yeah, one thing though, you notice it's named test1.mxml, and if you go to Flash Catalyst and you go to code, the structure is nearly the same. We've got source here, but we've got main.mxml file and not test1 or anything like that. Okay? Alright. Now let's go to Catalyst Builder Sync. We add a new project. I'm gonna do this. We rename this project into Test1 this time again. The default sync type here It decides what happens when you switch on the auto sync functionality. By default, it merges the content of the two folders. Something happens in one folder, it matches automatically in the other one. You can choose to overwrite systematically builder's content with Catalyst 1 or the other way around. But let's stick with merge. It's the most useful one, I think. You can synchronize or not the deletions. So whenever you delete a file or a folder, say in Catalyst, it will be deleted automatically in Builder. That's the default setting, and I think it's fine. But you might be willing not to delete anything. So in that case, you uncheck this checkbox. Now we select the Catalyst project and the Builder project, which actually we're going to point to the folder we want to synchronize. So here we go. Here, if I select Catalyst project, it opens automatically into Catalyst workspace because we've defined it as the default one earlier in the preferences. So here is test one, the opened project in Catalyst. If you were to close the project into Catalyst, this folder would just disappear. So you need, before doing that, to open or to create in Catalyst this project, the project you want to synchronize. So I'm not going to select the root folder of the project, because in that case we would synchronize not only the sources, the MXML file, the ActionScript file, etc., but we would try to synchronize as well all the other folders here, and that's not what we want. We want to synchronize source. We might even want not to synchronize the root folder of source, but for example, say you've got a components folder, you want to synchronize this one, then in that case you just select the component folder and nothing else. And everything inside this folder will be synchronized. Okay, so let's stick with source here. Let's do the same with the Flash Builder project. Here, same thing, we've got here only one project, which is the test1 project we created in Builder. I select the source folder here. Here we can see we've got the test1.mxml, and that's it. Okay, and that's about it. Now you click on Apply. Here we go. We're ready